Menteri Rangba ke jela korat sangma nek sngi ke khatbai terik uyayong arhajar arpun riu ula pynkup burom ya saupo ngut ki samla puli ki bawan na ki yingsa ki ba pher ki ba iing kyrshan ki na keleng saudong jong ka khasi ba Janja Hills kini ki khna puli ki de ki bala pendap ya ke exam SSLC arhajar arpun riu habakaren hakini ke sngi na kaliang jong u Menteri Rangba ke jela ulong ba nadu hakini ke sngi ki baladap ula pynkup burom ya ki samla puli ki balawan hakmat kentup ya ki badang samla bat kitu ki bala rangba bat menta kesngi ka desa ka wepat kesngi ka ba kemen ha ka ba ngila ban pynkup burom ya ka jingjop jong kini ki khna ki bawan na ki yingsam ki baduna ha ka yo ka kon Henry kelayo pat ya ke jingjop da ke jingpas pha ke jongki ha ke exam SSLC u Menteri Rangba ulong ba kamlong ka besuk yaki ba kinla ban kenjo ya ke ne ka thong Henry kela traisitam bat menta kela penpau bat penshisha ba kila manyat sakmat ban pendep ya ke jingpuli ki ba kham shalor Shushu lapan benaru ba ya ke jinglut jingsap ha ke jingpuli jongki na ke benda ke higher secondary ka sorkar langba uchip minisar kin sa penlut bat kyrshan yaki bakin la ban pendap ya ke jingpuli ha kani ke sngi lai don langru da menteri bdp ya katanat puli peti upa lakmen remboy ki officer jong katanat social welfare bat kumjuru na katanat puli puti.
Give us a cue, 1, 2, 3 and smile. Okay, ready everyone? Smile, 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay. Face up, one video. Yeah. One more, wait. Okay, ready everyone? 1, 2, 3. Great. Okay. Thank you. There's the room there also. Come. Start. It'll get cold. Yeah. Put this here. Come back and take it later on. Okay? Maybe this one you're going to keep this cashier. So you're going to keep this with you.
You can pick and have there also inside.
Yeah, inside you can go.
You
Take
can
a plate.
pick
Go inside.
Sit inside.
Yeah.
Please sit there inside.
Come.
My name is Nisha Yantatya. I came from the institution of SCL Student Village Law. I'm very happy that I've passed my class 10 board and I've got 63% in first division. And I would like to pursue for science stream. For after that, I'll pursue for BSc. And I'm really grateful that CM have conducted this program. And I'm very happy that I've got a chance to have a breakfast with him in this. And I'm really thank you for his kind and gratitude. Thank you.
Okay.
Marketing ilawan pernah jenang ngayon second division with 58%. Natara nga ay kuble ngai ngu kamtam yo blema bagi ani kalat natara nga ay kuble CM jingi bagi la ay ngani cash prize jingi ngani cash award natara bai nang bai ngai kuble iru bai nak bai la kenti yang ya kani kan hagajing puli ko putih hagajing ni mah kuble syukur kong keteng jangai dari bawan biang kani dang sudah pas ya ke kelas 10 SSLC dengan long second with 56%. De kong asaban ay may play bo ulapan la ay nga bala ay nga kamet kabukot kabakya de kamtam bangan poy kani ka cakay kani ka program ka bala penong da ICM jungi de nga so ban ay ko play ya ka award by ay but long sungu rumay ek bangayo wal dang pas ba ka SSLC ru de nanish kamat nga tumu bangan berikut habat kamtam kadring jang ka de bangan long nai kai specialist teacher bangan la banyarap eco society hadin habut bat kamtam ban boy syukatong banyo banyarap bat amde tang mga banyo e kacing ku hindai syaki wei ru nganong kacing ku takin kit kreshu.
All my dear students, our dear children who are present out here today, all the officials of the different departments who are also present here, from the social welfare as well as the Chief Minister's Secretariat, different members of different organizations and NGOs, present out here, ladies and gentlemen. Since yesterday, we have been having multiple programs to connect with our youth and our students. I welcome our Education Minister also. And since yesterday, as I was mentioning, we have been felicitating and having different programs related to education. Right here in the morning yesterday, at the same time, we had felicitated the toppers of the SSLC. So about close to 30 plus students had come, and we met all of them. They had breakfast here, and we had a small program just like today. And after that we had a program which is called Ullas. It's a Government of India program, where we felicitated literacy, where there are so many of our citizens who never got a chance to educate themselves, never got a chance to learn how to read or write. Some of them even as old as 80 years old. But through the Ullas program, they learned how to read and how to write. They became literate. And so the second program yesterday was to felicitate those individuals who, in spite of all challenges, learned how to read and write. The eldest of them all was an 80-year-old person. Imagine. Even at 80 years of age, that person took the initiative to learn how to read and write. Today we are here to celebrate your success. And the reason we are doing all of this is to let all of you know that we care about everybody, that we are proud of each and every one of you. Whether you are the topper of the SSLC, whether you are an 80-year-old person who has just learned how to read or write, or whether it's you who, in spite of so many challenges which one cannot even start imagining, did not give up, took up that challenge, worked with determination, fought all those difficulties that came in front of you, and yet came out successful. So today is for you to celebrate your success, to celebrate your courage, to celebrate your confidence, your hard work, and what you have achieved today. I always tell people that it is not the easy things and the situations that determine success. It is how you face the challenges that determine who you are. How you accept those challenges, how you adapt to those challenges, and how you fight and overcome those challenges. That is what determines a person. And today, all of you have proved that you are worthy of being here, number one, and also you have proved to yourself that no matter what difficulties come in front of you, you will continue to rise, you will continue to work, and you will continue to be successful in life. So congratulations to all of you. There will be many, many more challenges ahead. I cannot say that we can do everything for you, but definitely we will try our best to support you in every possible way. Let me also announce that apart from this small token of appreciation that I am giving today to all of you, which is not a big amount, it's just to show my sincere appreciation to all of you. I also want to announce that anybody who will be taking up the secondary school examination, the admissions, the CM Secretariat, for those who will be taking it up, the admission fees will be paid by us, by the CM Secretariat. So the money that you got right now is yours. Use it for something nice, maybe buy something nice for yourself. I don't want you to use it for the admission. My Joint Secretary here, Mr. Shivangs, he will take the headache of paying your admission fees for the higher secondary. I think all of you deserve it. I hope you continue with your education. Please don't let it go. And I do hope that you'll be able to take it up, and we'll find other ways also to further support and help you in the future. So once again, thanking all of you for coming here, and once again congratulating all of you, thanking our director and the social welfare department for the wonderful work that they're doing. As I said, it's not easy. There are always challenges and things will not be perfect. But we must always thank God for all the blessings that He has given to all of us, each and every one of us, in different ways. Gratitude must always be there in our hearts. So once again, congratulations, and I wish you all the very best for your future. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Thank you so much.